In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map with Google NotebookLM. We'll go through the process from the very beginning. And the good news is that it's simple and fast once you know where everything is. If you want a visual way to organize ideas from your documents, NotebookLM can help turn your source material into a clear AI-generated mind map. To get started, open your browser and search for NotebookLM. This is the easiest way to quickly find the tool if you're not already on the site. When the search results appear, click the first link. That should take you directly to the official NotebookLM page. Once you're on the home page, look for the button that says Try NotebookLM and click it. This will take you into the platform where you can begin setting up a new workspace for your content. If you're prompted to sign in with a Google account, go ahead and do that so you can access the app properly. After that, click on Create New. This creates a fresh notebook where your files and AI tools will be organized. Think of this notebook as the main container for everything you want NotebookLM to analyze. Starting with a new notebook helps keep your project clean and focused, especially if you're working on a specific topic or research task. Next, click on Upload Files. This is where you'll add the source material that NotebookLM will use to build the mind map. Make sure you choose files that are relevant to the topic you want to map out, because the quality of the mind map depends on the quality and relevance of the sources you provide. Give the upload a moment to finish if your files are large. Once your files have been added, click on Mind Map. NotebookLM will then generate an AI mind map based on the sources you uploaded. This is where your information is transformed into a structured visual overview, making it easier to understand key ideas, relationships, and themes within the material. If you're using this for study, planning, or research, this feature can save a lot of time because it helps you see the big picture quickly. You can use the generated map to review concepts, identify main topics, or simply organize complex information in a more intuitive format. And that's it. That's how to create a mind map with Google NotebookLM, from searching for the tool all the way to generating your final visual. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.